deer season. That means it should be getting cooler.
The hunters like it that way, and Friday morning temperatures will be really, really chilly. In fact, we may see our first freeze of the season even in parts of the metro area early Friday morning, believe it or not. Not a change officially in Austin, but out in the rural locations just west of the city. More on that in a minute. Yeah, that big change is on the way, but it's not here yet. We are at 85 degrees right now. At 8 o'clock tonight. Front still not to Austin, still at 78 or so, but by 10 p.m. our temperatures may be falling pretty quickly and the winds may be kicking up and the skies may be becoming cloudy and there could even be a sprinkle or a light rain shower as that front is likely to be approaching the metro area at that hour, which means it'll already be well through or into the hill country. We'll show you the timing on that in a minute. These are current temperatures: 81 in Fredericksburg, 81 degrees in San Saba, 83 degrees in Burnett, so nobody's seeing that cold front quite yet. Certainly not here in the metro area where temperatures are in the low to mid 80s, nor in our eastern counties where it is 83 in Rockdale and pretty much 84 most other locations. Austin's 85 and our skies are clear and the airport's clear and 86 degrees currently. Winds are southerly. They've been breezy today, averaging 9 in the city and a south wind at 10 miles per hour at the airport. Sunset is at 6:42 tonight. Mold count was back up into the high category today, just over 1,000. Ragweed at 14, low. You can see where that front is on the Texas temperature map. 38 in Amarillo right now, a wind chill below freezing. 60 in Abilene. The front has blown through Abilene. It's moving more south than east right now. Hasn't made it into Dallas yet. Dallas 78 degrees, but it will head on down our direction tonight. It's attached to an area of low pressure that's very intense moving across Kansas right now. High wind warnings in effect for the Panhandle, where winds expected to gust up to 60 miles per hour, maybe even a little snow there north of Amarillo. There's been a blizzard raging in western Kansas today. The snow winding down in Colorado, where places close to Denver had another 8 inches of snow out of this system. And there you see the front. There's a skinny little line right there. That's very likely not really rain making it to the ground, maybe a few sprinkles, probably a little dust being kicked up by those gusty winds. But it's moving through the big country at this hour, so it's headed into our northern hill country very soon. And the front will blow on in here later tonight. In fact, our computer model by 9 p.m. Wants to develop, again, a little narrow line of showers right along the front as it starts running into this moisture that's been flowing up from the Gulf of Mexico for the last 24 hours. Now, I have my doubts whether we'll actually see that transpire, but it is a slight possibility. So at 9 o'clock tonight, front approaching the western metro area. And then it moves quickly on through here and all the way to the coast by morning. Very windy late tonight, very windy first thing in the morning. 15 to 25 miles per hour on the average wind speeds, gusting 30 to 35 miles per hour. But as we go through the day tomorrow, into tomorrow night, the winds will be calming down and it will be quite a bit cooler during the daytimes. Cold in the nights and in the mornings the next couple of days. But then a quick turnaround in the weather. This weekend we'll see a warming trend. By morning, though, check this out. 40s with wind chill factors near freezing, even into parts of the metro area, certainly in the hill country. And we may see some 30s in the morning in the hill country. And then tomorrow afternoon, no mid-80s, no mid-70s, mid-60s, a noticeable change in our weather tomorrow. Tonight, well, we'll paint in a sprinkle between now and midnight, but it's probably not real likely. 44 in Austin first thing in the morning. And then 66 tomorrow afternoon. Still breezy, but winds diminishing during the day and skies begin clearing first thing in the morning. 38 in the city Friday morning will be our coldest morning of the fall so far. That's a freeze out in the hill country. We may see our first freeze warnings issued actually tomorrow night by the National Weather Service for the hill country counties. But then this weekend, look at there, nice warm up. It's going to be pretty nice. We're going to cloud up and have a chance of some rain from Sunday to Tuesday of next week, but I wouldn't worry about it too much over the weekend. It's a pretty low chance right now.